So over here you can see that I got two of these objects that I can move freely and two of these objects, and those are locked. If you want to go around and delete out the objects, that is, if you want to remove them, then all you need to do is select out an object that you want to remove and hit the delete key on your keyboard. Or you can select out a particular object, and it doesn't matter if it is, let's say for example, locked. You can go around over here on the top and then click on remove element from over here as well. And that is how you can remove out elements. This is especially useful when you're having a lot of elements right here, or you're working around with templates and you want to remove out different elements right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you got a lot of elements right here. You can select these out, select out certain range of elements over here, and then you can go around and clear these out as well and remove it out easily, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can remove out elements from your projects inside a Polotno Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.